Don't download SEMRush Enterprise Marketing Insights app before watching this. Before you download SEMRush Enterprise, here's the reality. It's more than an SEO tool. At the enterprise level, SEMRush provides keyword research, competitive analysis, and marketing insights, but most teams get this wrong by skipping strategy. Step 1. Define goals. SEMRush works best when your team knows which metrics matter: traffic, rankings, or leads. Most people get this wrong by tracking too many irrelevant TPs. Step 2. Perform audits. Use SEMRush to audit your site, content, and backlinks. The surprising truth is, ignoring audits leaves hidden SEO issues unresolved. Step 3. Analyze competitors. Track competitor keywords, ad campaigns, and content strategies. Without this insight, you miss growth opportunities. Step 4. Monitor performance. Use dashboards to track traffic, rankings, and conversions. Teams that act on data see improved ROI and better organic performance. The upside? Proper SEMRush Enterprise use can increase search visibility by up to 40%, optimize campaigns, and improve marketing decisions. So, should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can focus on relevant metrics, perform audits, and act on insights. For smaller businesses, standard SEMRush plans may suffice. Subscribe for actionable enterprise SEO and marketing strategies.